Hello dear students, today in this video lesson which is titled as Time Management Skills, I will be discussing the meaning and importance of time management as well as some of the important skills that are essential so that we can manage time effectively. So first of all, what is time management and why is time management so important? A successful individual manages his or her time very well. There are several advantages of organizing or structuring one's daily work prior in advance. One should be proactive in our tasks and duties. Effective time management skills are utmost important to accomplish one's goals and objectives in life. It boosts one's confidence level and enables him or her to climb the ladder of success in an organization. There are a variety of skills that are necessary for managing one's time productively, and in this video lesson I shall be discussing some of the most important skills that are essential for managing one's time on a daily basis. So here goes the very first skill, that is planning and organizing. A fundamental part of time management is planning and organizing. An individual gets a clear picture of what activities are to be done or completed if he or she is well organized. It is a good habit to write down the to-do list at the end of each working day for the next day. So we should prepare in advance what will be the activities for our next working day. One should try one's best to stick to the schedule in order to accomplish tasks without fail. So do remember the very first important skill, that is planning and organizing. And next is prioritization. Now what is prioritization? A good time manager prioritizes tasks wisely on the basis of importance and urgency. Tasks and duties that are both important and urgent should be done right away without delay. One should decide and plan when to do those tasks that are important but not urgent. It is good to delegate tasks if possible that are urgent but not very important for you. And one should set those tasks aside to do later that are neither important nor urgent currently. So, very important skill is prioritization. Do remember. And the next is delegation. What is delegation? Delegation saves our time and enables us to accomplish our goals and objectives in life. To delegate tasks means to assign a specific task or a duty to someone else and give him or her the authority to complete that task. Managers often delegate those tasks that are urgent but not very important. The next skill is avoid distractions and be very focused. In order to manage time properly and productively, one should try to avoid or block out all kinds of distractions and be very focused. Distractions affect productivity and performance of workers. We should try to be focused in our work, in our tasks and duties. Loss of focus affects our creativity and productivity and creates unnecessary pressure and stress. So, do avoid distractions and be focused. The next tip is set a time limit to complete tasks. That's a very important tip. By setting a time limit for accomplishing a task, we are forced to stay focused, and complete the work on time. It also makes us more committed and enables us to block out all unnecessary distractions. Setting a deadline to complete a task makes an individual more organized as well as disciplined. So do make it a habit of setting a time limit or a deadline to complete tasks and duties. We all have heard about the acronym SMART. When we talk of goals, we often say that goals should be SMART goals. So there is the importance of setting SMART goals. Now, what is the meaning of SMART? One should set SMART goals. This means that goals should be specific, goals should be measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Such goals motivate individuals and help them realize those goals. The acronym SMART is an effective and well-established tool that provided clarity, focus, and motivation that is essential to complete the goals. So do remember that SMART goals, that is an effective and well-established tool that provides clarity as well as it motivates us so that we can accomplish our goals and objectives in our life. Very important, the next point that I'm going to cover is take breaks between tasks. Sometimes we forget to take breaks between tasks and we work for very long hours. It becomes very tedious, very monotonous. So taking short breaks between tasks are considered to be very, very beneficial. One should consider grabbing a brief power nap or going for a short walk, listening to music or meditating in order to keep oneself motivated and enthusiastic as well as very fresh throughout the activities of the day. Working for long hours at a stretch could be stressful for many, hence one should take breaks for clearing one's mind and refreshing oneself. So that's also very important. Take breaks between tasks. And the last point that I would like to discuss in this video lesson today is manage stress positively. We all have stress in our life, isn't it? But we need to manage our stress in a very positive manner. Mental health is of utmost importance in one's professional life. An individual should try to handle stress in a positive way. This enables to keep oneself motivated and perform one's tasks and duties effectively as well as efficiently. Taking small breaks in between tasks or rewarding oneself in humble ways could be effective in managing stress positively and accomplishing one's goals in life. So, my dear students, do keep in mind the various skills that I have discussed as far as managing time effectively and productively is concerned. Thank you for listening. Hope to come up with my next video lesson soon. Take care.